Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic Chapter 8, CBQ number 1 and 2, Lecture number 26 and HW number 25. Dear student, you didn't find out this CBQ 1 and 2 in your book, but on the basis of that chapter, that means chapter 8, I have made these two CBQ questions. Okay, that means competency based question. Okay, but these CBQ questions are as similar related to that chapter. Okay, let's start the class. CBQ 1. 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 are the two fractions. Write two equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Add the above two fractions. C. Convert the above fractions into fractions with common denominator. Okay, write the A number. Write two equivalent fractions. Write 2 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 are, suppose see 2 by 3, then you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 at first 2, then you get 4 by 6. Okay, then again multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, then 6, 3 these are 9. Okay, therefore the two equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 are 4 by 6 and 6 by 9. Okay, now you write the answer 4 by 6 comma 6 by 9. Dear student, now you see the question number B. You have to add the two fractions. Okay, you have to add the two fractions. Right, B number. The two fractions are 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. We have to add the above two fractions. Therefore, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Now we have to add this. You know what is the LCM of 5 and 3? Okay? There is no common factor between 5 and 3. So, our LCM will be 15. Okay. Now, you have to divide 15 by 5. Then we get what? 3. You see, 15 by 5, then you get 3. 3 5s are 15. Then you multiply this 3 to this 3. That means 3 3s are 9 plus plus, again you divide 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15, so 5 2s are 10. Okay, dear student, look, you divide 15 by 3, then you get 5, then multiply 5 to 2, that means 5 into 2 equal to 10. Now adding the result, 9 plus 10 equal to what? 19 by 15. 19 by 15. You see, this is the improper fraction. This is the improper fraction because numerator is the greater and the denominator is the smaller. So this is improper fraction. Okay. Now you have to convert this like this way. 15. Okay. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. This equal to, you can write 1, then 4. Okay, look, 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 4 equal to 19. So 19 by 15 equal to 1 4 by 15. This is the mixed fraction. Okay, this is the mixed fraction. Write the answer. Answer 1 4 by 15. If you face problem to convert mixed fraction, no need to convert the mixed fraction, you do up to this. That means 19 by 15. Okay, that's also no problem. Now I will solve the question number C. At first you look the question number C. Convert the above fractions into fractions with common denominator. Okay, right? The two fractions are the two fractions are 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Right? The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Okay, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now write here 15 division 5 equal to what? 15 division 5 equal to 3. Semicolon sign. Look, this is the LCM. So you divide that LCM by 5. This denominator, okay? 15 by 5 equal to 3. Now look, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. You have got the quotient 3. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Okay? Now 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Okay? Now the second step, write 15 division 3. Why 3? Because you see the second fraction, the denominator is 3. 15 division 3 equal to what? 5. Okay, now write here 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Both numerator and denominator you multiply by this 5. That means 5 by 5 equal to what? 10 by 3 5s are 15. Dear student, now you look carefully. Here denominator is 15. Here also denominator is 15. Okay? What is our question? Our question is convert the fractions into fraction with common denominator. Okay? So write therefore 3 by 5 comma 2 by 3, give the third bracket, give arrow sign. 3 by 5, 2 by 3, this equal to what? 3 by 5, that means 9 by 15, and 2 by 3 means 10 by 15. Okay? Now you write the answer. 9 by 15, 10 by 15. Okay? This is our required result. Dear student, now I will solve the question number 2. That means CBQ 2. Look, 3 by 4, 3 by 5 and 1 by 2 are the three fractions. Add first fraction with the third fraction. That means this is the first fraction and this is the third fraction. B number, calculate 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. C number, convert the three fractions into fractions with common denominator. Okay dear student, now we will solve the A number question at first. Add first fraction with the third fraction. Right, the first and the third fractions are first and the third fractions are what? First fraction 3 by 4 and the third fraction 1 by 2. Therefore, add first fraction with the third fraction. Therefore, we can write, therefore 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. We have to now add. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? You know the LCM of 2 and 4 is what? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore, LCM 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay, so our LCM is 4. You divide this 4 by 4, then you get 1. Then multiply with 3. Then 3 plus, again you divide 4 by 2, then you get 2. 2 ones are 2. This is equal to what? 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 by 4. Okay, you see 5 by 4 also a improper fraction. Why this is improper fraction? Because here numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller. Okay. So this can be written as a mixed fraction. Okay. Look, 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Now divide like this, say 4 ones are 4, 1. But dear student, this is confusing for you. At first you divide 5 by 4, then 4 ones are 4. Then you write the quotient. Then you write this quotient in here. Denominator, denominator, and the remainder in here. Okay. Now write the answer. Answer 1 by 4. Then B number. Calculate 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Right here. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. At first you have to do the LCM of 4, 5 and 2. Okay. 4, 5, 2. Okay, you have to do the LCM. You select here 2 because this number and this number is divisible by 2. Then 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, so 5 remaining same, 2 answer 2. Okay. Then LCM 2, 2, 5. This is equal to what? 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. Okay. Then our LCM is 20. The same case, you divide 20 by 4, then you get 5 and multiply with 3. 5 3 are 15. Minus, you divide 20 by 4, then we get 5. You divide 20 by 5, then you get 4 and multiply with 3, then you get 12. Plus, you divide 20 by 2, then you get what? 10. 10 ones are 10. Okay, student, look, you divide 20 by 4, like this say, 4 by 20, then you get 5, then multiply 5 to this, then that means 3, minus, minus. Now you divide 20 by 5, then you get 4 and multiply with 3, 4 3 are 12, plus this plus, you divide 20 by 2, then you get 10, 10 ones are 10. Okay. Now you know the board math rules. 15 plus 10 equal to what? 25 minus 12. Okay, now subtract 5 minus 2 equal to what? 3, 2 minus 1, 13. 13 by 20. Okay, dear student? Dear student, now you see the question number C number. Convert the three fractions into fractions with common denominators. Okay? And dear student, you write the answer for B number. Write the answer 13 by 20. Okay. Now I'll solve the question number C. Right here the C. The three fractions are right. The three fractions. The three fractions are 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. 3 by 4, 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Therefore, LCM of 4, 5 and 4, 5 and 2 is what? We have got the LCM 4, 5 and 2 is 20. LCM is 20. LCM of 4, 5 and 2 is 20. You see 4, 5, 2, you divide 4 by 2, then you get 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so 5 remaining same, 2 answer 2. That means 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Okay? So we have got the LCM of 20. Now 20 division, the first denominator 4, then you get 5. Okay, you divide 20 by 4, then you get 5. Right here 3 by 4, this equal to 3 into 4, 5, 5. 15 by 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now you have to divide 20 division 5. Then you get 4. Okay, 20 division 5 equal to 4. That means you see this denominator. Then you get 4. Now write here 3 by 5. This equal to 3 by 5 into this 4. 12 by 5 4s are 20. Okay, dear student. Now the last fraction 20 division which number? You see the 2. Then we get what? 10. Okay, you divide 2 by 20, then we get 10. Right here 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 10, 10, 10 by 20. Okay, dear student, you was here the denominator is 20, here the denominator is 20 and here also the denominator is 20. Okay, now we have to write therefore 3 by 4 comma 3 by 5 comma 1 by 2 and give third bracket give arrow sign. Now see 3 by 4 equal to what? 3 by 4 equal to 15 by 10. 15 by 20, right? 15 by 20. 15 by 20. Then 3 by 5, 12 by 20. Right, 12 by 20. Then 1 by 2 means what? 10 by 20. 10 by 20. Okay. Look, 3 by 4 means what? 15 by 20. 15 by 20. 3 by 5 means 12 by 20. 12 by 20. 1 by 2 means 10 by 20. 10 by 20. Okay. Now we have to write the answer. Okay, dear student. Now you write the answer. 15 by 20, 12 by 20, 10 by 20. Okay. Okay, dear student, this is our required result. You see all the denominator are the 20. That means all the denominator are the common denominator or equal denominator. Dear student, now I want to talk with you about HW topic. HW topic 25, HW number 25, EMB page 102, question number 7. Dear student, already this CBQ question or word problem is done in your previous class. Okay, so you have to submit these HW copies. Dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBI marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, no more today. You have to practice the math and you have to obey your friends. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.